Right, I have no idea what's going on. It's just been really, I want to say, spooky. But the thing is, I've got this unboxing. It's another pin-up girl, and we're going to see what happens today. What? You see what I mean?
Dad, there's slime everywhere.
Oh, I've been slimed. Oh! So, I managed to get all the slime off, but it's still not right. There's some strange goings on, but I think we need to get in the box ASAP.
Thanks.